Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off Instagram notifications for one account, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off Instagram notifications for only one account, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, in order to turn off the Instagram notifications for one account, can either go to their account. Let's go to that person's account. So guys, and after going to that person's account guys, you can see the following option available for us just beside the message. Tap on that following and you will be able to mute all of the notifications for that person's that person. To do that, tap on the mute button over here and you can see the post and stories, and if you turn it on guys, all of the notifications for that account will be turned off, including post, stories. You can also restrict that person. Let's tap on the restrict account and all of the messages also will be turned off. By doing that guys, the notifications from that account will be turned off just for that. And there guys, this is how to turn off Instagram notifications for one account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.